sent me 2 bottles because I dropped this one off the truck. Tried to take a snazzy photo and video of it, and hey everybody, just checking in here. I was sent this FORTIFY Quick Coat Shine Armor Waterless Shine and Protect. It says it is the ultimate ceramic coating formula. And the way it's advertised is basically a quick cleaner. So they sent it for me to give it a shot, try it out, and do a video with my honest review. So I'm not being paid, but I was given the product for free for this video. But again, I will give my honest opinion, and I'm going to compare it directly with the Meguiar's Ultimate. So I had to wait a little while. I can tell you that this is a water-based formula because this did freeze up on me. Over the last couple weeks, it's been pretty cold. This is the first day that we have that it's actually a fairly nice day. So I'm going to give it a shot. As you can see, my truck's a little dirty. Got some salt residue on there from the winter. And I'm only going to do it on the hood here. They wanted me to do it right on a dirty truck. That kind of goes against my personal philosophy of the double bucket method, where you always have a clean cloth up against the truck. But I'm going to give it a shot against my better judgment. And either way, I'll be doing some paint correction this summer. Doing the abrasives and all that. So once it really warms up, I'll spend a nice day with the truck anyways. So I'll give it a shot here. The way it shows on the instructions is to spray it on the rag directly. Try to do this one-handed so I can show you guys everything. My hands aren't big hands, so this is a fairly small bottle. So we'll see how far that goes. And the spray in here is just a light mist, so there's not a whole lot of product being put on there. So towel itself definitely has a slickness feel to it, so it's not like the towel's actually grabbing into the paint or the dirt. We're gliding along pretty good, so whatever's in that formula does provide some slickness, which is nice. And go to the dry side now, give it a little extra buff to dry it up. So the finish on that's actually pretty nice. You can see a little bit where it's still hazed up just a touch. Coming back on it with the dry side again. It's actually got a nice little shine there. You see the reflection of the trees. It's not bad. Alright, so checking back in now that I can feel my fingers again. It's nice. It's still pretty cold outside. But I did the entire hood. I mean, as you can see, it cleaned it up pretty good. It looks like it's got a decent shine to it. So I'm pretty happy with that. I'd say the finish with this is pretty stellar. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back and I'm just going to do a small section with my standard Meguiar's Ultimate as a comparison, and then we'll do a watershed test and see how the water beats up on it. Okay, so now what I did is down this body line to the right on the hood, I followed up the shine armor with some Meguiar's Fast Finish. On the left and all the way over, that is just the shine armor FORTIFY. And I'm just going to do a little water bead test and see how each cleaner reacts, or each finish reacts here. I'd say either side did about the same. So I would say protection wise, I would assume that both have good paint protection in them. I've used Meguiar's for quite some time, and I'm pretty new to Shine Armor, but I'm pretty happy with it. Finish wise, I can't tell a difference, left versus right. They both have mirror finish. So I think this Shine Armor, if I could talk, sorry, it's pretty cold out here. I'd say it gets my stamp of approval so far. It almost smells like like a grape candy. It's kind of got a neat smell to it. Son of a.